All right, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars Palm Beach, doing a walk around video on this 2020 Ford F-150 Raptor. This thing's pretty cool, but again, these videos are to point out any flaws whatsoever so that there's no surprises to any of our out-of-town buyers or customers coming in. So we're gonna get started right away on the front bumper. Front bumper's in great shape. No major flaws or blemishes, very little bug damage. Headlight's in great shape. Grille looks real good. Second headlight looks real good. Hood looks excellent. Paint's just stunning on this truck. I don't see any major chips in the hood. Front fender looks good, no scratches, dents, or dings. Front wheel looks good. The fuel rims are in amazing condition, no curb rash. I'm gonna call the tires at about 60%. Driver's side of the truck, no major scratches, dents, or dings all the way down. All the Raptor stickers are in great shape. Really good looking truck. Rear wheel on the driver's side looks good. Side steps all look good. Rear bumper looks excellent. Does have a tow package. Does have the tonneau cover. Passenger side, rear fender looks fantastic. No scratches, dents, or dings really down the passenger side either. Rear wheel on the passenger side looks good. No curb rash. And cosmetically, this truck's in fantastic condition. All right, let's get a look inside. Driver's side door looks real good. This will come out, just needs a little detail. All right. There was a question about some stains on the seats. I don't see any stains on the seats. Seats are in great shape. A little scuff right here that pops a lot more in the video than it really is. Let's get a look at the rear seats. Again, the lighting makes these seats look a little funky, but they're in great shape. Let's get a look at the passenger seat. Okay, there is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. There's no warning lights, no check engine lights. Does have navigation. Let's get a quick look under the hood. Fairly new. It's got a cob intake system. Looks like it was done real nice.